Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a vessel name in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the master module. Here, we have to click on the vessel list menu under the master module. After clicking that, the vessel list page will be displayed on the screen. Now, we have to click the create button. Here, we have to enter the code name and enter the required vessel details. Then we have to click the save button. Now the vessel has been created. Then go to the home page. Here we have to select the respective job or shipment. Now the job page will be displayed on the screen. In this page we have to click the edit button. In the vessel name field, when we type the letters, it will be shown the vessel name. This is how to create a vessel name in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.